Newton's laws of motion can be seen in everyday activities. Today, let's take a look at how inertia and Newton's first law of motion have an effect on the game badminton. Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Badminton is a game that involves hitting a shuttlecock, also known as a birdie, back and forth over a net between two teams until one team fails to hit the shuttlecock back or it lands out of bounds. Badminton is a great example of players utilizing inertia to figure out where the birdie is going to land and interrupt its motion with their racket before it touches the ground. A game like this utilizes many different forces. For example, the shuttlecock's design was created to have a conical shape that makes it extremely aerodynamically stable and increases air resistance in order for it to fall slower and stay in the air longer. Because of the shuttlecock's low mass, its motion can be changed with minimum effort from a racket due to having less inertia than heavier objects like a baseball. Because it has such little mass, shuttlecocks feel a greater effective air resistance, which lowers the effect of gravity as it falls through the air. In badminton, gravity is one force of many that alters the shuttlecock's motion. The other main force, of course, consists of the players hitting the birdie with their racket. We can see this when serving the birdie. When I let go of the birdie in the video, it is under the effect of gravity, and its motion is not interrupted until it hits the racket. Due to the low mass of the birdie, it bounces back into the air after coming into contact with the racket. However, heavier objects, like a baseball, would not bounce as much as a birdie, and could even potentially break the racket. This has been a short look at how inertia and Newton's first law of motion have an effect on the game of badminton.